I came to Leeds Beckett because the Science of Sport Performance course had so many different interesting modules like psychology and nutrition and biomechanics. I'm interested in learning more about women's nutrition and women's psychology when it comes to sport, because there's not a lot out there that really links women to sport, specifically when it comes to nutrition and psychology. My lecturers have encouraged me to think differently about the amount of work going into women's sports. I didn't realise that there were so many courses kind of nudging women's sports in the right direction. There are so many things that could be done differently when it comes to women's sports. My hobbies have been joining lots of different fitness classes like yoga, spin, swimming. I like to put myself into different environments to see how I can kind of develop in my sporting performance through different classes. I like to coach climbing, I like to compete sometimes, which is just a bit different. I don't see many women doing it, so it's quite nice to put myself out there and be a little bit stronger than men sometimes.